Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete Form SSA-44, also known as Medicare Income Appeal Form. So this form is used if your income has gone down because of a major life event, so you can request a lower Medicare premium. Let's go here step by step. So start by filling in your name and social security number at the top. In step 1, choose your life-changing event like marriage, divorce, or work reduction, then enter the date it happened. Next, in step 2, enter your income details for the year your income decreased, including your adjusted gross income and filing status. Then in step 3, if you expect your income to be lower next year, select yes and fill in the estimated amounts. If not, you can skip this part. In step 4, attach documents that support your situation like proof of income, change, or your life event. And finally, in step 5, read the statement, sign the form, and add your contact details. So once this is done, submit the form with your documents. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.